How to fix Steam login problem 2026. First of all, go ahead and force close the application if you have opened it. Once you close it from your background as well, go ahead and open your app drawer and locate the app icon. Once you find it, you simply have to long press it to access the app info panel. From here, go ahead and head to the storage section and proceed to clear the cache to remove any unwanted or corrupted files within the application. Once you remove it, make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have strong Wi-Fi connection, you might want to switch to your mobile network. Now, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch it and proceed to log into your account using your login credentials. And despite all these solutions, if it still does not work, all you have to do is go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then open your browser's incognito tab, then head to the official website of Steam and proceed to log into your account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.